Have you ever wondered what your life would be like if it were a video game? What would you do differently if every action counted, if every decision brought you closer to victory or set you back? Today we're not going to talk about living in the traditional sense, reacting and just getting by. Today I'm going to give you the complete blueprint to transform your life into an exciting game, with missions, power-ups, levels, allies, and, most importantly, the chance to become the unstoppable hero you've always wanted to be. Are you ready to find out how to win the game of life? This is your opportunity to build the most epic story of all, your own. Part 1. Create your main character and give them unique powers. In the best games, every character has unique abilities, special powers that make them unstoppable. Now I want you to stop for a second and think, what makes you unique? Because in this story, you're the main character. And to win, you need to know who you really are and what your potential is. In this first phase, we're going to turn you into the main character of your own game. 1. Define your personal powers. What are your strengths? Maybe you're extremely creative, or you have a special ability to focus on details. Perhaps you're someone who perseveres to the end, or you have an intuition that guides you through tough times. Whatever your strength is, identify it and work on it. Video games teach us that every skill can be maximized, and the same goes for you. Train and enhance your unique abilities until you become unstoppable. 2. Build your code of honor. In the real world, just like in video games, there are rules that guide the path. If you want to succeed in life, you need your own rules, a code of honor to keep you on the right track. Define your values: respect, honesty, effort, bravery. These values are your shield, and without them, it'll be hard to move forward without getting sidetracked or wasting time on mistakes. Part 2. Define your main mission and complete your side quests. Now that you know who you are, it's time to have a clear mission, something that guides every step you take. In video games, there's always a central mission that gives everything meaning. That mission is what will motivate you every day to improve and overcome any obstacle. 1. Find your main mission. It can be anything that truly sparks something in you. Maybe you want to build an amazing career, achieve financial independence, or be the best version of yourself physically and mentally. Whatever it is, make sure it inspires and excites you. This mission must be powerful enough to push you forward when you feel like giving up. 2. Break your mission into levels and side quests. In a video game, you don't reach the final boss without going through smaller levels. Each stage is a test that makes you stronger. Break your mission into smaller goals or side quests. Each of these will be a victory in itself, a step forward that will bring you closer to your ultimate goal. If you stay on track and progress level by level, things will gradually start to make sense. Part 3. Collect power-ups to maximize your performance. Every player knows that to win you need power-ups, special skills, or resources that give you an advantage. In life, these power-ups are your habits, the ones that strengthen and prepare you for each challenge. If you really want to overcome all the levels of this game, you need constant power-ups that give you energy, knowledge, and resilience. 1. Physical energy. Power-up. Want a strong character? You need to be in the best physical condition possible. Exercise, take care of your body, eat well. Physical energy not only gives you more stamina, but it also improves your focus and mood. Being a hero requires strength, and every workout is a level 1. 2. Wisdom. Power-up. A hero needs wisdom to make the best decisions. Read, listen to audiobooks, learn constantly. Every book, every class, every experience is a power-up that gives you knowledge to use when you face your biggest challenges. Life is full of obstacles, and with the right wisdom, you'll know how to face them strategically. 3. Recovery. Power-up. Just like in video games, you also need to recharge. Don't underestimate the power of rest. Getting good sleep, taking breaks, and disconnecting help you keep your performance at its peak. Without proper recovery, no hero can perform at their best in critical moments. Part 4. Overcome obstacles and unlock new skills. In every video game, obstacles are inevitable, and life is no different. The key is to see each difficulty not as a roadblock, but as a test that makes you grow and develop new skills. Every obstacle you overcome makes you a more experienced player, a stronger hero. 1. Game mindset for facing problems. When difficulties arise, instead of getting frustrated, see them as challenges in a video game. Every obstacle has a hidden solution, a lesson you can learn. Face them with courage and see each problem as an opportunity to unlock a skill that will make you better. 2. Level up with every mistake. In video games, you can lose a life, but that doesn't stop you. You just try again. In life, every mistake is a learning opportunity. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your strategy, and come back stronger. The best heroes are the ones who learn from every fall. Part 5. Track your progress score. Every video game has a score, a tally that shows how far you've come. If you don't keep track of your progress, you risk getting stuck at a level without realizing it. You need to know if you're improving and if your actions are bringing you closer to your goal. 1. Record your achievements. Keep a journal, note your weekly achievements. Every Sunday, evaluate what you accomplished and what needs improvement. This gives you a clear view of your progress and shows what level you're really on. 2. Reward your achievements. Did you level up? Reward your effort. Every victory deserves to be celebrated. Achievements aren't just the big goals. Every step forward is a reason to be proud. These rewards keep you motivated and eager to keep progressing. Part 6. Form your team and gather your best allies. No hero plays alone. Even the strongest player needs a good team to beat the toughest levels. In life, your friends, mentors, and close people are the allies who will give you the boost you need when you feel like giving up. 1. Build a network of champions. Find people who share your values, who also want to grow and move forward in life. Support each other and face the hardest levels together. Having a team backing you up is an incomparable power-up. 2. Avoid the enemies of your progress. Just like video games have traps, life also has people and situations that can set you back. Stay away from those who drain your energy, demotivate you, or don't believe in your goals. Your team should be made up of those who want to see you win. Part 7. Activate fun mode and enjoy the journey. Every video game has to be fun. In life, that means finding a balance between effort and enjoyment. There's no point in being the best if you hate the process. Learn to enjoy every moment and every step of the way. This is a journey worth living. 1. Make time for leisure and rest. Life isn't just about achieving goals. You also need to enjoy it. Do things that you're passionate about. Play, have fun. This is the energy you need to perform better in your challenges. 2. Live in the present, without waiting for the final goal. Just like in a video game, don't focus only on the end. Enjoy the present, every level you beat, every obstacle you overcome. Life is more exciting when you appreciate every moment, not just when you reach the final goal. Life is a unique game, the most challenging, but also the most rewarding. You don't have infinite lives, and every decision is a chance to move forward or backward. Now you have the map, the path to becoming the hero of your own story. Every day is a new opportunity to level up, improve, and get closer to that epic victory waiting for you. Now it's up to you. Are you ready to win the game of life?